BTS pop-up, and I think I'm looking too stressed from getting, like, rushing to get here, that I don't even know what I want. There you go, I'm here. But I don't even know what I want. Most of the things are sold out. So the jerseys and stuff. And the coasters are sold out too. Ito guys, ang jersey na pinag-aagawan ng mga people. At na si Suga. Wala nga display guys. Baka yung display binili din. The joke. Ito. Ayan ang pinag-aagawan. This is what people are fighting for. And this is the shirt. I didn't really want the white shirts. There's not much, guys. This one I wanted, but it was sold out. And the black, this one too, the coasters, sold out. This one too I wanted, but it's sold out. This one's the Busan limited edition, but I wasn't really planning on getting this, but it's sold out as well. It has a little seagull, and this one's the normal one. Final player. Oh my god, oh, that's so cute. And the slippers. This one, may nakita ako sa airport. I saw someone at the airport wearing this. Nakakaboses guys. Yeah. So overall, I think I got like 3 items out of all the things that I wanted to buy. Not much because most of the things were sold out. So now we're looking for the showroom ng Arirang pop-up. Guys, so apparently there's also a queue for the showroom. So we're just waiting on that as well. Everything has a queue.
Wait, long line here. Okay, thank you. 지금 몇 명 짝짓는지는 확인하고 팀장이 그 얘기하는 게 더 빠를 것 같아요.